then you will start the.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So see, biotechnology, it having two lessons. Sir, two lesson होते हैं. तो first होती process principle and process of biotechnology. And the next one is the application of biotechnology. So biotechnology first, principle and process of biotechnology, then application of biotechnology. Clear? So first we discuss about the first lesson, that is principle and process of biotechnology.
जब से करबा पहिले आपण से फाइल ओपन कर देबे हैला एटा ओपन
So
करला
see,
परे
first the father of
एटा शेयर
biotechnology.
स्क्रीन
Paul is the
शेयर
father
स्क्रीन
of
करला सेटा
biotechnology.
सब फाइल जगह
Paul,
देखिबो जो
मोबाइल डाउन करना ना
Paul,
खाली रेकॉर्डिंग ऑन ऑफ और
he is the father of
शेयर स्क्रीन करला सेटा
biotechnology.
सब
So
फाइल
who is
सब
the father
देखिबो
of
जो फाइल
biotechnology?
सब
Paul
ले सारा
Berg is the
मतलब जो
P-A-U-L-B-E-R-G.
क्लिक
Paul
करके
Berg.
ओपन
Paul Berg is the father of biotechnology. Clear? Then see, what is the definition of biotechnology, or what do you mean by biotechnology? हमें biotechnology माने कौन पूछते हैं? Clear?
ना ना नहीं
Father of biotechnology is Paul Berg. Paul Berg is the father of biotechnology. Then see, write down biotechnology is the process. Biotechnology is a process using living organism or enzymes or molecules to obtain product that is for the welfare of mankind. So see, what is the definition of biotechnology?
नेम सुबह जाओनी
So see, what is the definition of biotechnology, or what do you mean by biotechnology? Biotechnology is a process using living organisms or enzymes or molecules to obtain product that is for the welfare of mankind. Clear? So see, biotechnology is a process using living organism. Clear? So it is a process that is used for the welfare of mankind. Mankind माने कौन है? Human being. ठीक है? So जो प्रोसेस रे आम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रू एंजाइम्स पाउचू द मॉलिक्यूल्स पाउचू and that molecules, that enzyme is useful for the welfare of mankind, that is called as biotechnology. See, again I repeated, what do you mean by biotechnology? Biotechnology means it's a process that by using enzymes and molecules from the living organism to obtain product and that product is useful for the welfare of mankind. Clear? And that process is called biotechnology process. सो देखो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी माने कोन रे तमरो हमर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म क्लियर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड हम देहरु कि एनी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रु जदि गोटे एंजाइम की मॉलिक्यूल नहीं आमे माने कोन mankind welfare पाई that means for the benefit of mankind am use kori pariba that process is called as biotechnology clear listen again I repeated the definition of biotechnology biotechnology is a process by using living organism or enzyme or molecules to obtain product and it is useful for the benefit of mankind that process is called as biotechnology जो प्रोसेस से हमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रो एंजाइम की मॉलिक्यूल नहीं जो प्रोडक्ट हमें डिफा ऑब्टेन करू माने पाऊ and that product is useful for the benefit of human society or mankind that process is called as biotechnology ठीक अछि then see it's our so definition of biotechnology then see one example of biotechnology process so first of all see as we know that the our beta cell of islet of Langerhans see beta cell of islet of Langerhans it secrete insulin it secrete what insulin clear so that insulin is maintain our blood sugar level so listen I think you are unable to understand the definition of biotechnology मतलब आप इसका बुझ पा मत बोली so listen first what is biotechnology biotechnology it is a process by using living organism or enzymes or molecules to obtain product and that product is useful for the benefit of mankind yeah so see biotechnology माने कौन रे जो प्रोसेस रे हमें कौन करे कोई लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रो एंजाइम की मॉलिक्यूल आनी की हम मॉलिक्यूल आनी हमें ଗୋଟେ प्रोडक्ट बनी and that product is used it is used for the benefit of mankind say product है यदि mankind रो benefit ପାଇଁ यूज हैला then that process is called as biotechnology process that process is called as what your biotechnology process clear so see try to understand these things beta cell of islet Langerhans beta cell of islet of Langerhans are present in combined hospital ठीक अछि that secret insulin and that insulin is used for the it is what is the function of insulin it maintain the blood sugar level से कौन maintain करबा हम देह रे जो our blood sugar level से कौन करो maintain करबो clear then see so beta cell of islet of Langerhans that secrete insulin and that insulin maintain our blood sugar level our blood sugar level से कौन करू प्ले maintain करबो clear then see so the secretion of insulin is for our requirement of body ଆମ body को जतिके insulin दरकार सेतिके insulin ही secrete होबो clear the amount of insulin secreted as per our body's demand ଆମ body रो जतिके demand रहउची सेतिके ही insulin secrete होबो clear so see in case of diabetes patient in case of diabetic patient as you know that the diabetic patient they will take insulin injection जो ना diabetes patient से मन कौन होचुले insulin injection होचुले जानथिबो what is the reason they will take insulin because they are unable to produce sufficient amount of insulin for the maintenance of blood sugar clear see why the diabetes patient they will take insulin injection the reason is that the diabetes patient they are unable to produce amount of insulin that is required for our maintain of blood sugar हैला से माने सेटिक amount of blood insulin secretion करि परिबेनी जो द्वारा के blood sugar को maintain ही परिबो that's why they will take artificial insulin injection ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି insulin injection ନଉଛନ୍ତି so that the amount of insulin able to maintain our blood sugar level clear so see why that means why this process is related to biotechnology this process can be related to see first of all what happened the scientists they will derive see the whole process first listen biotechnology it is an important topic and it is very essential for the board exam and the thing is that first of all try to understand these things अन्य जिन सब केड़ा फसे बुझिया चेष्टा करो it is very important मैं बुझले ही लिख पारिबो ठीक अछि then see first of all the scientists they will take insulin they will take gene which is responsible for the insulin see scientists they will take gene which is responsible for the insulin production from whom they will take from the living organism that means human being here see from the human being they will take the scientists will take gene which is responsible for the insulin production जो जीन का इंसुलिन प्रोडक्शन करूची they will take that gene से माने ह्यूमन बीइंग को कोन लेबे से जीन टा लेबे क्लियर then they will insert that gene in the E. coli से माने कोठी इंसर्ट करबे E. coli रे करबे क्लियर then what happen when they insert the gene in the E. coli the transcription and translation in the E. coli that respective gene that undergoes transcription and translation process clear से जीटा कोन जो बेटा ट्रांसक्रिप्शन और ट्रांसलेशन प्रोसेस को जीवो ठीक अछि then what happened the scientists they will take that E. coli to the factory for the production of see again I repeated first of all write down in organized manner see first of all as we know that beta cell of Langerhans that secrete insulin and that insulin is required for the maintenance of blood sugar level yeah so in diabetes patient the level of insulin is decreased insulin मात्रा कौन के ऊपर decrease हो जाती है so that is the reason they are unable to maintain the blood sugar से माने कौन करे blood sugar level को maintain कर पारबे नहीं yeah so they will take insulin injection इसमें से माने कौन होती insulin injection होती so what is the process the artificial insulin is made co process the artificial insulin होती by the process of biotechnology process में कौन होती insulin होती yes so see the step about what the production of insulin first the scientist will take gene which is responsible for gene which is responsible for the insulin production they will obtain the gene which is responsible from the human being from the human being they will obtain the gene which is responsible for the insulin production by जो gene दरकार समझ कहाँ पे लेबे बेटा human being को लेबे clear from the human being they will obtain the gene which is responsible for the insulin production insulin injection बाहर करे भाई तो मैंने कौन है first से human being देखो जो gene का responsible होती कौन भाई insulin production by they will take that gene से मैंने say gene को लेबे clear then see what Escherichia coli janskoda. So then they insert the gene into E. coli. So मैंने कौन सी insert करोगे E. coli देह को insert करोगे. So in the E. coli in the body of E. coli there is a transcription and so in the body of E. coli there is a transcription and translation process will take place है ना. E. coli रे देखो कौन होगा बेटा transcription and translation process होगा. So in the transcription and translation process there is a production of DNA है ना. That is what transcription और translation कौन है ना. So कौन होगा ये process transcription translation में कौन होगा respective DNA production होगा ना. Then they will take that DNA into the factory. ସେମାନେ କଣ କରିବେ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭ कंपनी को फैक्ट्री को नेकी बहुत सारा डीएनए प्रोड्यूस करिवे क्लियर एंड they use the insulin DNA for the production of insulin ହେଲା ସେମାନେ डीएनए कौन करबे insulin production करिवे ठीक अछि so see again I repeated first of all the scientists they will take gene which is responsible for the insulin production gene नेबे जोटा कि insulin production करिवो from the human being then that is insert into the E. coli body plus ସେମାନେ କୋଉଠି insert କରିବେ E. coli ର body को insert କରିବେ ठीक अछि then what happened then because of the transcription and translation process the DNA and RNA is formed ହେଲା DNA RNA form कोउटा DNA RNA form होबो insulin रो ହେଲା काना जीन ता कोन हिचु insulin नेचु so कोन होबो after the formation of respective thing that will transfer into the factory ହେଲା सेरा तुम कोन करबो factory को निया दिबो in that factory the insulin is produced से factory कोन होबो insulin production होबो हैला so see as I said before what is the definition of biotechnology we obtain the living organism from the living organism see human being is a living organism so from the living organism we obtain product we obtain which product insulin product we obtain insulin product and that insulin product is useful for the beneficial of mankind for the beneficial of mankind clear so this example describe the process the biotechnology process ହେଲା देखो कौन कहली first of all from the living organism we obtain product clear obtain which product insulin product and that insulin product is useful for the beneficial of mankind clear so I think you all are understand about the definition of biotechnology process which is part of biotechnology process form ठीक है then see the next one is principle of biotechnology So before going to the principle of biotechnology, again I want to discuss about the definition of biotechnology and the example. See, first of all, who is the father of biotechnology? Paul Bohr is the father of biotechnology. Yeah. What is the definition of biotechnology? Biotechnology is a process by using living organism or enzyme or molecules to obtain product, and that product will be useful for the beneficial of or for the welfare of mankind or human being है ना जदि हम गोटे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को बेटा जो प्रोसेस रे हम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रो एंजाइम की मॉलिक्यूल की नै की गोटे प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन करछु एंड दैट प्रोडक्ट इज यूज्ड फॉर द बेनिफिशियल ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग जदि से प्रोडक्ट ता ह्यूमन बीइंग रो बेनिफिशियल दैट मींस ह्यूमन बीइंग रो बेनिफिट है ना दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रोसेस ता कोन कहउछंती बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रोसेस बोली कहउछंती ना सिंपली So that process is called as what your biotechnology process. Okay, then see, try to understand the what the example of biotechnology. See, first of all, as I said before, beta cell of islet of Langerhans. Beta cell of islet of Langerhans they secrete insulin, and that insulin it is useful for the maintenance of our blood sugar. Here, so see, as we know that the insulin it is useful for the it is maintain the blood sugar level. So in diabetes patient, what happens in diabetes patient there is less amount of production of insulin takes place. जो मैं डायबिटीज पेशेंट दे सीक्रेट लेस अमाउंट ऑफ इंसुलिन ସେମାନେ କଣ ସିକ୍ରେଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବେଟା less amount of insulin secret କରୁଛନ୍ତି. So that is the reason that they are unable to maintain the blood sugar level. ସେଟା reason ସେମାନେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର blood sugar level को maintain କରି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. Then that is why they will take insulin injection. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି insulin injection କରୁଛନ୍ତି. Clear? So see, then see why the insulin production is related to biotechnology process. So what happens? The scientists they will obtain gene which is responsible for the insulin production from the human being. From the human being, they will take the gene which is responsible. See, this is the your human being, and this is what the gene which is responsible for the insulin production. Clear? So what happens when from the human being they will take the gene which is responsible for the insulin production? Then that they will insert the gene in the E. coli. ସେମାନେ କଣ insert କରିବେ E. coli को insert କରିବେ. Clear? Then in the transcription and translation process, NRM means the production of DNA and RNA takes place. So they will take that DNA and RNA to the factory and they will produce the insulin. ସେମାନେ କଣ କରିବେ DNA RNA କଣ produce କରିବେ insulin produce କରିବେ. Clear? That insulin is useful for the benefit of human mankind, or you can say human beings. Clear? So it is all about the definition of biotechnology and how the you can say it's an example of biotechnology process. Yeah. Then see the next thing is your principle of biotechnology.
Ma'am, who is the father of biotechnology? Please write his name on whiteboard.
Paul Bohr. Paul. Paul Bohr is the father of biotechnology. Then see the principle of biotechnology. See the principle of biotechnology. So the principle of biotechnology it includes two techniques. The principle of biotechnology it includes two techniques. The first one is your genetic engineering. See, principle of biotechnology that includes two techniques. Here, the first one is genetic engineering. So, what do you mean by genetic engineering? See, the technique in which see genetic engineering. As I said before, the principle of biotechnology it includes two techniques. Clear? The first one is your genetic engineering. So see, what do you mean by genetic engineering? The technique in which alternation of genetic material takes place. Alternation of genetic material means what? Your DNA and RNA. Clear? The alternation that means something altered. That means something changed in DNA and RNA. RNA DNA which would change and that changing part is introduced into the host organism. Host organism means जो organism देहर रखिबे ता कोन करबे host organism करबे. Clear? So that is genetic engineering. Again I repeated the what do you mean by genetic engineering? The technique in which alternation of genetic material takes place, that is DNA and RNA. The technique in which alternation of genetic material. Alternation of genetic material means the change of genetic materials. Here, जो जिनसटा देखो बेटा डीएनए की आरएनए जो भी जिनसे चेंज हुए दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल हियर सी you can say the example of insulin आमी जो इंसुलिन जीन टा नेले ई करे रखला परे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ट्रांसलेशन हला and from the transcription and translation we obtain the product that is in change manner ना आमी जो product पाइले सेट कोन है बेटा टिके चेंज हला and that product is useful for the benefit of human mankind so like that see the technique in which alternation of genetic material takes place alternation of genetic material means see alternation means change in the GM. GM means good morning. GM means what? Genetic material. Clear? Change alternation of genetic material means change in the genetic material. Then that is introduced into the host organism. That is introduced into the host organism. से जो material को कौन करेंगे से माने host organism का को insert करता है. That means they will introduce the change genetic material into the host organism. Host organism माने कौन जा जेरो से माने insert करिवे those person that recipient they receive koribo tak koribo host boli koribo here then see so this is your first technique as I said before principle of biotechnology it includes two techniques the first one is your genetic engineering then the next one is your so the next one is your so see, the next one is your multiplication of desired cell. So multiplication of desired cell means what? See, as we will take the what? We will take the respective gene. ठीक है, हमें gene टा देना पड़े कोड करे बेटा. Host organism there introduce करना. Then what happen? The multiplication. Multiplication means what? To form a amount of things. है ना? बहुत जिनसे production करवा. So see. इंसुलिन रो आगे नेला परे इंसुलिन गोटे प्रोडक्शन गोटे दिन ही नेले कि गोटे दिन प्रोड्यूस हला कि विल ट्राई टू इन द फैक्ट्री विल ट्राई टू ऑब्टेन मोर एंड मोर इंसुलिन जीन हमें फैक्ट्री में कौन कर बेटा बहुत सारा इंसुलिन जीन प्रोडक्शन कर क्लियर सो द सेकंड टेक्निक इज व्हाट योर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ डिजायर्ड सेल जो जीन टा को हमें चाहू जो इंसर्ट करिया अपने होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म देरे दैट विल बी मल्टीप्लाई सेटा कौन होगा दरकार मल्टीप्लिकेशन है दरकार दैट मींस amount of respective cell is produced है ना तो कौन होगा जो जिन सेल desired means what see what do you mean by desired cell means the cell which we want हमें जो cell को इच्छा करूँ that is called as desired cell so see in the insulin हमें को जिन दरकार दिला we want to take an insulin gene so that insulin gene is called as your desired gene है ना so insulin gene को कौन कहते हैं desired cell or you can say desired gene clear so diabetes patient को कौन दरकार अधिक करे insulin gene दरकार कि नहीं कहला so that is called is your desired gene clear so the second process is what your multiplication of desired gene multiplication means what formation of more gene बहुत गुना के जीन फॉर्मेशन कर दे क्लियर so that is the principle of biotechnology it includes two techniques that is your genetic engineering then the next one is your multiplication of what your desired cell clear next class we will discuss about what your about genetic engineering
मैडम
madam दोस्ता कोई नहीं सॉरी So see, about genetic engineering. So the principle of biotechnology it includes two techniques. First one is the genetic engineering, and the second one is your multiplication of your desired gene or desired cell. So what do you mean by genetic engineering? That technique in genetic engineering means what? That technique. It's a technique where we get the desired gene. मतलब हमें कौन करे बेटा genetic engineering process रे कौन से gene टा को हमें use कर पारिया. Clear? And the next is your multiplication of desired cell. जो cell का हमें जो respective gene को desired gene को हम multiply कर पाया, that is called is your multiplication of desired gene. Here, so it's all about today's class. Next class we will discuss about the genetic engineering. Thank you so much. Thank you.